to Nanton Aviation Station. I'm Scott. You're at Knox Tech Inc. facilities in Ottawa. We've been away for a little while. We've been collecting some material and building a few jigs, and now we're moving the project forward at a pretty good pace. What we've done now is we've cleaned up a lot of the ribs, and we've done some repairs. The ribs in many cases were crushed or corroded or flaking paint and what have you. So we've prepped the ribs best we can. And then what we've done is we've built a jig that we're going to use to rebuild all of the ribs. So here's a rib from Bravo, the Bravo portion of the wing. And you can see here that we've started to do some repairs. There were some holes and corrosion and what have you. So we've taken some aluminum sheet and we've riveted it in place using more or less wartime methodologies within reason. We weren't able to find exact pieces, so we've used off-the-shelf aluminum angle and some other pieces like that to effect some repairs. But as we move forward, we're hoping we can get some other parts fabricated that are a little more true to the original construction. So we've been cutting, riveting, and we're making good progress. We're hopefully in the next, well, hopefully by the spring, we'll be able to paint all these pieces with primer. The jig is also going to be used to build 4 brand new wing ribs. The donor wing that we received is missing 4 ribs that we have to build from scratch. So the next time you come by the shop, we'll be showing you some brand new construction that we're doing, and I think it's going to look really good. We're using these ribs here to test out the jig and make sure everything's what we expect. And I think next time you come by, we'll have some really good progress to show you. Just to show you around the back here. So this rib had been crushed quite badly. The wing had been laid down on its bottom, and it had crushed the wing. So instead of rebuilding this whole rib from brand new, we've straightened it out the best we can, and we've put in some stiffeners here to straighten up that rib. So I think we're fine with that. Dimensionally, it's correct. And this is all going to be internal structure that won't be visible, so it doesn't need to be exactly as per World War II standards, but I think structurally it'll be sound and it'll be straight and true, so I'm very happy. This jig is really working out well. We can stand up while we're working. Initially we were laying the parts down flat, and that was okay, but it wasn't working out very well. Now we can stand up and work. It's easier like that. So basically that's it for today. Again, we've made some good progress. I think we're rolling at a good pace now. We've got the material we need to be able to move forward. Again, we do have some parts we need to be fabricated. As usual, or typical, you know, we are always in a financial crunch. So if you or anybody you know would like to donate to the project, please contact Halifax 57 Rescue. It's on our Facebook page, and you can search on that on the web, and you can go to the Bomber Command Museum in Nanton, Alberta as well, and get information there for any donations you may wish to make. Thanks again for coming out. See you next time.